So guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at another bunch of cases for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Today's cases are by Casekoo. So not only have Casekoo been kind enough to send me these cases out to open up and show you guys at home, but they've also agreed to give out 20 cases to you lucky subscribers at home. If you want to enter the giveaway, keep tuned to the video and we'll talk about it later on how you can enter. But for now, let's open up the cases and take a look at what they've sent. Now for the cases, I have no idea what's inside because all the boxes look the same. So it's going to be as much of a surprise to you as it will me. So let's open up the first one. Standard packaging. And it seems like this is just a clear case with some Casekoo branding on the side. On the back we've got that dot pattern again to stop the rainbow effect on the glass. We've got a bit of a raised edge around the camera cutout to protect it. It's a bit hard. It's a hard plastic back with softer silicone sides. So let's pop it in and take a look. So with the silicone sides, the buttons are very responsive. You've got your cutout for your mute switch there, and then you've got out nicely sized cutouts for the charging port and the speakers, microphones, and as you can see, the raised bump for the camera to protect that. And on the back it's nice and clear, so you can see your lovely colour of the iPhone you've got, as well as the fingerprints when you're holding it. So I think this is the clear series. So it seems like the next one is completely different. This is a hard plastic case, but this is going to be the ultra slim series, I believe. This is not your kind of case to protect against hard drops. This is more of the case you want to have to keep that slim design of the phone, keep the design aspect, but also have a bit of protection just on the off chance that you do drop your phone. That it doesn't scratch the metal or ding it in any way. So you've got your cutouts at the bottom again for your power charging port and your speakers, microphone. Buttons also very responsive, just like the previous case. We've got our cutout for the mute switch here. The edges are not that raised, so be careful with that. If you do slam it down, your screen's probably going to take the full front of that, unless you get a tempered glass screen protector, which I would highly recommend anyone who's getting an iPhone 12 to get a tempered glass screen protector, just because from what I'm seeing online, the glass is actually not as strong as they expected, and a lot of people are getting micro scratches on there. On the back you've got the raised edges of the camera cutout, so at least your camera is going to be protected if you do put it down in the back. Like I said, this is not going to protect against big drops, so don't think that this is the case for that. This is more of your case to keep your thin, slim profile, while also giving you a little bit of protection for the back and the sides, which I think are probably called their slim series, something along them lines. Again, if you want to buy any of the cases, if you're not interested in the giveaway, there will be links in the description box below, so keep an eye out for that. So this is exactly the same case as the one I just showed you, just a black one instead of the navy coloured one. So again, you get a bit of fingerprints on the back, you've got your cutouts, buttons, responsive buttons, got your mute switch on the side, and the raised edges for the camera. And then it's just a hard plastic material, just to keep the slim profile, exactly the same as the one I just showed you. And I've also sent a big box like this, which I believe is screen protectors, which because they also sell screen protectors. Now I'm not going to be applying the screen protector, but I will show you what comes in the box. So each screen protector seems that they come individually wrapped, which is very nice. You get, I believe this is a tool for the installation, I think, or it's just a phone holder, it seems. You You can just pop your phone in there, which I think would be, it's pretty nice. Like I said, I'm not sure if that's actually for the installation. I can't imagine it being, so I think this is just an extra gift for you to have something to hold your phone up with. So that's a nice little gift. We've obviously got our cleaning supplies to apply the screen protector, and also a little squeegee to squeege out any bubbles needed. And then you've got your installation tool, which makes the installation super easy. You just pop this over the phone, and then it tells you which side is top by saying top, and then you just align your screen protector on top and it won't get out of place. So super nice, especially since they included the little extra gift in there as well. And you get 2 screen protectors in the box, so in case you do mess one up, you've got another one to get it right the second time. Apparently you get 5-year warranty as well. So guys, if you want to enter the giveaway, remember there's going to be 20 winners, so your chance of winning is very high. So remember to share the video with your friends and family so they can have a chance of winning as well. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is there's going to be a link in the description box below. You just have to go on that link. It's going to give you different ways of earning entries into the competition. Obviously, the more entries you earn, the more chance you have of winning. So the more you do, the higher the chance you have of winning. And leave a comment down in the comment section of the video to just say that if you are a case person, or if you carry your phones without a case, if you're that brave individual that doesn't wear a case on their phones, because that's definitely not me. If I'm paying that much money for a phone, I'm definitely slapping some kind of case on it, even if it's something like this which is super slim, just to give me that extra bit of comfort knowing that if it does drop or slip out of my pocket, at least it will give me some sort of protection. Another thing we're going to be testing is, are these cases MagSafe compatible? So let's try first with the slim profile one. I can only imagine it will magnetically attach because it is such a slim case. So let's try that one on. So the case, it does charge, as you can see, and the magnet does attach to the back of the phone, as you can kind of see. Obviously the connection is not as strong as it would be without the case, but considering the case doesn't have any magnets in it, it's still a fairly strong connection to keep it aligned, keep your phone charged. Now let's try the silicone case as well. So we've got the silicone case on now. Also MagSafe compatible, so it will work with the MagSafe charger, and it's thin enough as well for that magnet to stay on the back. So 2 thumbs up for Casekoo cases with the MagSafe charger. If you're interested in the giveaway, we're giving away 20, so follow the link in the description box below. Subscribe for more content. There's going to be more case videos coming up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.